200 years of burning coal, oil, and natural gas for energy were important for the development of humankind. However, fossil fuel reserves are both finite and running out. Moreover, the byproducts of fossil fuel combustion cause damage to the environment. Because of this, in May of 2007, the European Parliament issued the official declaration of the Third Industrial Revolution, a long-term economic vision and roadmap for the European Union. The Third Industrial Revolution is built on 5 pillars: transition to renewable energy sources, construction of buildings that generate energy, development of energy storage technologies, usage of the internet to create an intelligently distributed energy system, transition to electric transport and its connection to the established intelligently distributed energy system. A delay in the implementation of any of these 5 elements will disrupt the implementation of the others and will jeopardize the creation of the infrastructure as a whole. In the next 25 years, 190 million buildings in Europe will become energetically active. Solar panels will turn homes into mini power stations. Buildings will be remodeled to reduce heat loss. Studies show that to achieve a positive energy balance of a building, the heat transfer coefficient of the windows should be at least 0.3 watts per square meter. A traditional window matching these characteristics would be a sealed glazing unit about 80 millimeters thick. Such a window requires a frame made up of expensive composite materials with a thickness of more than 110 millimeters. Mass production of such windows would require complex changes at each stage of a manufacturing line. The replacement of equipment could prove to be a lengthy process and carry prohibitive cost. Existing alternate window production technologies do not meet the stated requirements and are not ready for large-scale market launch. Andrei Nikitin developed and patented the design of an adaptive sealed unit, the culmination of 20 years of work in the field. The key feature is that the adaptive sealed unit does not need a new frame. Using the adapter, it can be installed in any standard frame and sash. Therefore, any window manufacturer will be able to establish the production of new energy-efficient windows with these adaptive sealed units. You can save up when upgrading old wooden, PVC, and aluminum windows, since you need only replace the sealed units, preserving the existing frames. The cost of a window with an adaptive sealed unit is similar to the average retail price for a sealed unit of a passive house window in Europe. At the same time, the energy efficiency characteristics of the adaptive sealed unit are twice that of the current passive house solution. These adaptive sealed units do not require maintenance, providing an increased service life compared to their traditional counterparts. Moreover, when disposed of, they're more environmentally friendly, consisting of glass and recyclable materials. An adaptive sealed unit is an affordable and effective way to achieve a positive energy balance of a building. A key part, an adapter will be manufactured at the B-Tree Wooden Window Factory. CNC machines allow production of adapters for a new window system in just 1 to 2 days. For economic efficiency and flexibility, the production of sealed units and adapters must be assembled in the same manufacturing facility. The construction and installation of the manufacturing line will require an investment of 50 million euros and will take 2 years. The produced adaptive sealed units will be sent to Western Europe, Scandinavia, and North America. Local window manufacturers in these countries won't have to change anything in order to produce windows with the necessary specifications for construction of net zero houses. Therefore, the worldwide manufacturing base of the window industry and all major trade avenues would remain unchanged. The relatively fast start of the deliveries of highly energy-efficient windows should allow capturing up to 40% of the world market in the segment of energy-efficient windows. The adaptive sealed glazing unit itself has already been patented by the Russian patent office Rospatent. Already filed PCT filing provides 30 months of priority use of the technology worldwide. The global window market is growing at 7% per year and is valued at $200 billion. The energy-efficient window segment is growing at a greater rate. It is expected that by 2022, its value will reach $39 billion. Today, adaptive sealed unit technology is far ahead of the competition in terms of both readiness to begin production and the absence of barriers to market entry. This will make the absence of barriers to market sealed units the leader in the growing energy-efficient window market. With the release of the product on the market, an explosive increase in the value of the company is expected due to the technology perfectly matching the principles of the third industrial revolution and international trends towards energy efficiency. For more detailed information, please contact Andrei Nikitin,